Hold it up high. Just point it down a little bit. There you go. Yeah, just slide it into the air a little bit. There you go. Go. Yeah, it looks like it wants to glide okay. Hey, Paul, what is this airplane?
This is a Top Banana.
Yeah. What's it powered by?
It's electric.
Yep. So what class do you fly that in?
What is it?
E36.
E36.
Yep. How'd you get this airplane?
By building it with my daddy and they're asking for it.
Yeah. And so what occasion did I give it to you for?
For
What day was it? What day did you...
Monday.
How about my birthday?
My birthday.
Yeah, when you turn 5. All right, we'll power it up and see what it does. All right, press and hold until it's... All right, let go, and press and hold again. Yeah, that's not half bad. That thing moves fast.
Yeah.
Needs a new battery. It sounded very unhappy.
Yeah.
All right, and we will DT it right there. You want to show us how to rig the DT on it?
Yeah.
All right, so push your button first. You gotta push the button, just click it. Let go. Okay, hold on a second. We got something going on here. Now, hold on. Wait. Put that in. There you go. Now you can hook it up.
No?
Uh-huh. Can you get it?
Yes.
Okay, there you go. Now, we're not going to fly it quite yet because we need to change the battery out, so we got to power it down. I'll power it down for you. All right, so we've got a new battery. Now, one thing we did was, since the plane was pulling off pretty hard to the right, put a little gurney flap right here, and so hopefully that'll keep it from pulling so hard. All right, same drill as before. Hold it up a little more and away from you. There you go. All right, press and hold. All right, release. Press and hold again. Nope, nope. All right, let go. Press and hold. Much better.
Oh, wow. When does it come down?
It comes down when I hit the DT. Well, actually, it's got a 20-second DT time on it. So I'll let it come back this way a little bit. Oh, it's in lift. That's cool.
Go.
Yeah, DT goes on its own. That's pretty awesome. All right, so it's calmed down. Now we've extended the DT time out to 60 seconds to give us time to position the plane where we want, and we've gone up to 3 seconds of motor run since the plane seems to be safe. All right, so there you go. All right, now let off and press and hold again. Oh yeah. 3 seconds is perfect. Look at that. Just look at it. Alright, we'll DT it here. And the reason we want to do that is keep it away from those trees. As it is going... I get to take a hike after this one. Yay.
Why can't I come?
I don't think you want to go back there in the poison ivy. And it does not want to come down quick. Alright, get it in position. Alright, hold it up. There you go, press and hold. Alright, let off, press and hold. Oh yeah, look at the thing get up there. So light incident step, but not too bad.
Whoa. Don't want it to go somewhere where we don't want it to go. Come back, turn back, turn back. Thank you.
Now we're gonna let it circle all the way around. Too pretty not to. Whoa, there's definitely lift there. Wow, that's so pretty. All right. So nice.
So nice. Very nice.
You did a nice job of building, and I think I did a nice job of covering. Top Banana was designed by J. Jackson of England, who later immigrated to the United States. Known for another design as well called the Pilfered Pearl, which is another story for another day. The Top Banana 200, this is the version, the original version right here, was designed in 1949. So it's a very old design. If you think about it, you look at that profile and how classic it is, but yet how simplified. You know, it was a pretty advanced airplane for its time. Pretty awesome. Yep. All right. Let off. Press it again.
Oh wow!
Yeah, it's up there a bit.
There's a thermal here.
I don't know about a thermal, but there's a plane that's floating out there.
Oh wow! There's it out there one night. Oh dear, oh dear. Let's go back! Wait! Wait! Go! 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 Where is it go?
Let off. All right, press and hold. Very nice rollout.
I'm gonna go wash it from the boat. Oh wow! Go girl! Go! I like the pretty flight. Oh wow! Did you see it?
Uh-oh. So much for that. I can't even catch it on segments of the pole.
Oh!
This is silly. There we go.
You got it?
Kinda. Come on. There we go. Oh. Keep snagging the tail, so dumb. There we go. All right, what do you think of the Top Banana?
Good.
Good? That's all you got to say?
She flies good. We got to unplug the battery, which hasn't been unplugged.
Daddy will unplug the battery in a bit.
And then,
Who makes kits for the Top Banana?
Mommy.
Who drew up the parts files for the Top Banana?
Daddy.
Very good. Very good. Do you happen to know who makes that awesome timer right there? You know what company makes those?
Good.
What company?
I think
Starts with nope, starts with a B.
What is it?
Okay, that's a BMK E36 Plus timer.
Yeah.
And then these are the GNB 300 milliamp two cells. This is a Brother Hobby 2005, so a fairly small motor. Kind of impressive when you think about how fast this thing gets going with that. You got to press the reset button before you can latch that. Just click it. Let go. Let go. Nope. Hold on. Now click it. Let go. Let go. Yeah, there you go. I'm still getting past the difference between click and press and hold. Somebody likes to wait for the red light, almost like he wants to fly. A few of you wondering about safety will just have to understand that two press and hold scenario is the safety on these. And I have taught the children that they are not to press the button without me around. And so that keeps them safe. So there you have it. Impressive little airplane. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.